don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Umenya Diski.
Suppose.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm
great. See. Okay, so I guess qalen lana ne. Sikiphi province right now?
KZN.
Yeah. Alright, ake siqale kanjena ke siqale ngesizulu esiqinile ne. Alright, isizulu sithi lithatho semsamo limbeke eminyango. Lithatho semnyango limbeke emsamo. Alright, ake sibuyelele lana ke sibuthi lento ngiyisa kuphi. Sibo sometimes i-strength sakho siyaba i-weakness yakho. Ngiyaphinda futhi i-strength sakho siyaba i-weakness yakho.
Yeah, but ngicela ngene deep leto isho iyangithinta.
Alright, ayisibuyeleni lana ukuthi why ngithi i-strength sakho siyaba i-weakness yakho. Okay, esiqaleni la. First half tactically we were better than Kaizer Chiefs, ne?
Yes.
Second half again. Boma first 15 minutes we were better than Kaizer Chiefs, ne?
Yeah.
Which means i-Chiefs today i-understandile ukuthi angeke i-match i-Pirates 50-50. Yenze njani? Yavele yahlala emuva, ne? Bebelindele ama moment afana nale ukuthi bethole i-penalty, ne? Akusikhona ukuthi lento bebenze be wrong. Baya understand abona ukuthi ba strong kuphi okanye ba weak kuphi. You understand? Because they knew ukuthi Pirates izoqala ngombatha noma Khawula noma Swangani. Bese kuzoba khona umfukeng kanye nobani uNkoda. So wena if we are 50-50 nalabo bantu
Izolimala.
uma ucabanga iChiefs ibingakhona ukuthi uba break okanye uba match bengeke. So uya understand ukuthi yazini thina sidlale lento esiyiyona, ne? Benze njani ba allow iPirates ukuthi enze njani ukuthi ize kubona. Base be rely nakubani na goalkeeper wakhe kule. Base be rely nakubani na goalkeeper wakhe. Of which nakhona we brave decision ukuthi bemlethe ngefinal, ne? Okay, asibuyeleni lana ke. iPirates tactically iwinile u60-65 minutes. Tactically we won 60 to 65 minutes. Yazi labantu estila na bazothi iPirates wina kanjani edlini. Ngikhuluma nge-tactical. Understand?
Mina personally ngiyakuzwa.
Tactically, ne? iChiefs iwine kuphi game? Iwine ngalesikhathi iPirates iqinisa kwi-strength sayo. Awuthi ngiphinde futhi last team. iChiefs igame iwine ngalesikhathi iPirates iqinisa kwi-strength sayo. Isiphi strength sePirates? Si rotate ibhola, siyadlala, siyakubantu, siyabalanda straight. Remember iPirates ibiqale ngombatha noma Khawula. iChiefs yasithi okay ngiqala ngombatha noma Khawula noma Swangani sizohlala back ithini. iPirates yakhipha uMakhawula. Yafaka ba? Yafaka uDlamini.
Yeah.
iPirates yakhipha abani? Yakhipha uMakhoba. Yafaka abani?
Besefuna uqinisa besefuna uku-attack sasikhathi iPirates.
Yafaka abani? Yafaka uMabasa. Which means bese satheka ngabantu abangaka abadeadly ngokukora kanye ngokudlala. Ball playing, ne? uDlamini, uMaswangani, uKimvwidi, uMfukeng. noMabasa because uMabasa ugudi ngokwenza njani ngokukora, ne? So yabo sesibangani sesiba yi5 sele ngobani sele ngombatha. Nakho ke la imistake esiyenze khona. Imistake esiyenze kuphi? Awukwazi ukutshela uMbatha uthi akahlali. uMbatha kube yena umuntu ozosimakela. uMbatha uyahala, uthanda ukudlala, uthanda ukucarry ibhola. So umuntu okwazi ukuhlala ubani? uMakhawula.
Lonke osekhishini.
Remember ngitheni ekuqaleni lithatha osemsamo limbeke kuphi? Limbeke
ibhola ngalendlela.
Lithatha osemnyango limbeke kuphi? Emsamo. Remember ngitheni kuyena iPirates from first minutes up to 65 minutes we won tactically.
Yes, babulali.
Tactically we won.
Uthela igama befuna strength of fish.
Kwaphendwa kwaba yini? Kwaba i-weakness yethu. Ngalesikhathi sikhipha uMakhawula, sikhipha uMakhoba. Realize iChiefs ukuthi okay, sebe strong sebeza kuthini? Asibenze njani? Asibabambe ngebreak. ngalesikhathi kuphuma Makhawula noma Hupa kwenzakaleni i-Chiefs immediately yasibamba ngama break ubonile immediately kuphuma Makhawula yaqala i-Chiefs yasoverloada ka left ingakho even igoli labo lesi2 yabona qhamuke ngale ka left tabuya I think ubani bakorgulisa uMartin
Martia
yes ingakho kwazi usenjani efinish kule second ball because ufinisha kwe second ball akekho umuntu ovale lesa space remember Sibo ngakutshela ngama zones ama-zones e-ground mangaki ayi-18 ngolimi lwaseKasi okanye abantu abaningi bayazi ngokuthi D-line ne but ngolimi oludeep lwebhola that is zone 14 of which is a scoring zone and it must be protected awukwazi ukutshela umbazi ukuthi akambe uprotect zone 14 izomhlula because uthanda ukukhera uthanda ukuya kuphi uthanda ukukhera ne
bola kale deep song ukuphazamisa mfeza hayi
remember Sibo remember uma midfielder ne especially i-CDM okanye u defensive
central defensive
yes kufana nokuthi udriver wemoto imoto ingahamba ngaphandle kwa driver angeke
yokhale ezihlahleni
i-CDM okanye i-foot defensive always kumele ube kuphi kumele ube la central because amagoli amaningi aqhamuka central so wena if kuukuthi ushiya umuntu ongakhona ukuthi protect i-central zone vele you are bound to be in trouble of which lento eyenzakalile kwi-Chiefs remember iPirates bithi iyaqinisa kulabi kade vele iqine khona i-Chiefs kwaye la yenze njani evuke khona isithola ama spaces ubonile i-Chiefs ukuthi ayidla kanjani Sundowns kule game le ka 2-1 yahlala deep ne babe target uSuarez because uSuarez kade lo yenzana emagemini belo wenza ama mistake which means abafunanga kuya toe ni Sundowns because
uze washo futhi
uwandile Duba ba understandile ukuthi angeke beyimatch iSundowns but bale bazolinda yini ama moments same thing na today bebelinda ama moments kabani ka Van Rooyen last game ngikutshele nge overload and isolation ukuthi we overload to isolate last week i-Chiefs bebe overload side la kuphi
last game hlane Pirates
yeah le lika kubani kube 2-1 ne bebe overload side la left bese beshiya upule moti kufaka ichannel lapha na iside la kuphi la right ne today benze something different remember last game bekumodi kube uLilepo ubani lo munye beku front 3 bekhona nomdune checka today bekuwandile Dube kuLilepo kuphule modi normal uLilepo usuke le kwi-channel umodela today bebedlala boyi2 why because bebefuna ukuround uVan Rooyen bayamazi ukuthi njani uthanda ukukhuphuka ubani okufanele amakele uVan Rooyen unkoto uyakwazi ukumaka no which means if isi overload lelo side ngolilepo nomodi vele we are bound to be in trouble ipenalty ubonile ukuthi iqhamuke kuphi le kwi-far channel bekusele bani bekusele uSolomon ishaya lonke lelo side le you understand so sibuyela back point lethini Sithibo le ukuthi sometimes strength sakho siyaba yini i-weakness yakho ne siyaba before ufike lapho bafuna i-strength sakho siyaba yini i-weakness yakho and sometimes i-weakness yakho iyaba yini i-strength sakho same thing lento yenziwe i-Chiefs be weak from tactical abantu bangangizwa kabi tactical ibe weak compared to i-Pirates but last 25 minutes basuka from i-weakness babanjani baba strong ngenxa ukuthi i-Pirates ibe too excited sometimes Sithibo ukuba too much excitement iyakufaka enkingeni Champions League same thing we were excited abo coach bethu baba excited bahluleke ukumanage game today saba excited iscore kusawubani sa 1-1 hence why Chiefs ikwazile ukuthi yenze njani isuke from i-weakness iye kuphi iye kwi-strength remember ngesizulu sithini lithatho semsamo limbeke kuphi iminyango lithatho semnyango limbeke kuphi osemsamo congratulations
Thibo ngicela ukuhamba ngicela ukubuza igama lamfesi bese ngapi Fesi bathi ubani wacha
Miniero Disc.
Minero Disc but ngokwegama kwandokuhle khuzwayo ne.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi bakubukela emakhaya nalapho uphuma khona eKasi. Sengathi bangakunika i-chance ukhulise emfethu abafethu abasakhula abancane.
Siyabonga.
Amagalelo akho angaba amakhulu. Ngoba yazi ibhola ulikhuluma mawune vision, unombono ngebhola. Udlala ngenqondo.
Yeah.
You know ukuthi ukhuluma ngani nomfethu.
Yeah. Miniero before hamba i-goals and saves benjani kuwe this season? Uyidlala?
Angidlalanga but bengibona bengiloko ngithi ngiyadlala ngisilento ukanalize ama-notes njalo ngithatha ama-notes efonini ngithatha ama-notes before ngivale uMinero lo wade khona uthena abala izingane zakhe lezi ezisupporta i-Chiefs zoyinikeza homework K1 and then ezebhakane yayinikeze 2 yazi mina ngiMonday ngizokwenza njani Monday kusuka grade 8 kuya grade 12 bonke abantwana abafundiswa yimina babhala i-test
One time. Thank you, Miniero. Uyawapanisha. Thank you, Miniero.